Hello. Today we will make Iraqi Samoon bread together. Delicious bread served with shawarma, falafel, and a variety of fillings. We put the flour and add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a tablespoon of active yeast, and water at a temperature of 40 to 45 degrees. Cover the bowl until the yeast activates, causing bubbles to joyfully appear. This process may take 10 minutes. It varies depending on whether it's summer or winter. Once the bubbles appear, this indicates that the yeast is still good and safe to use. We add more water to it. Water depends on the type of flour, and typically the dough used for making bread is quite similar in softness. It should ideally be neither too hard nor too soft in texture. Next, we carefully transfer it to the mixing bowl. The mixer is operated for a duration of 5 to 7 minutes. Mix at a moderate speed continuously until we achieve this smooth dough consistency. We gather it, and it should be lightly brushed with a small amount of oil for flavor. The oil helps to easily shape the dough after the fermentation process. We will leave it for a complete full hour as planned. After 1 full hour, we carefully remove it from the fermentation container for the next steps. Fermentation. To gather it. And transfer it to the designated work surface where we cut it, of equal size. Then we shape it into an oval shape that is distinctive and characteristic of traditional Iraqi bread. This is the required form. Then we cover it and place it in a tray with a protective cover of plastic wrap and a soft towel for added warmth. Here, after fermentation, we also maintain the shape and proceed to flatten it. In this way, carefully preserving the final shape and structure of the freshly baked bread, so that we do not create it in a circular shape. We keep it during slavery, and we carefully shape it in this way. Then brush it with egg. With sesame or colored dough, it goes straight into a preheated oven for 15-20 minutes.